All right, I guess you're wondering what's going on here with golf balls and the chickens. Let's try to chip one here. All right, I guess you're wondering about what do golf balls have to do with the chickens, but actually what some people do is put one in each nest, and that way the chickens will be trained when it's about time for them to start laying eggs. They'll think it's an egg and they'll want to lay, you're showing them where to lay the eggs. And we put one in each for them to see a white, something that looks like an egg in each of the bins. And then we just patiently wait for them, that first egg that's coming up. All right, the golf ball and the chicken, what's going on? What's going on is we purchased our little chicks from Tractor Supply around March 23rd. So the growth, what's happening is the chickens' growth, they've gone like this, a steady growth. Now they're leveling off to their adulthood, and what's happening is from 16 to 18, some chickens start laying. So on July 4th was week 16, and then, coming up, so July 18th is week 18. So that's about where we're at now. And we're looking toward, we could have an egg eggs by the 20th week. Some of them start laying the 20 to 22 weeks. That would be August 1st. Between August 1st and 15th, we may have the first egg, the first chicken egg. So what do you think? Do you think we're going to have an egg? Try to guess the date. That would be fun. Between August 1st and August 15th. When do you think we're going to have our first chicken egg? But they are due. It is time for them to start laying eggs. That's what's going on. Chickens will start laying eggs from 16 to 18 weeks, and others from 20 to 22 weeks. And maybe others will take a little longer, but we are due for a chicken egg coming up very soon. So we're going to be on an egg watch. We will be on an egg watch. Thanks for watching today. Remember to bear fruit with patience. Grow your own food, eat it, and have your own non-GMO chickens and maybe goats and maybe coon pigs. But bear fruit with patience. See you next time.